Hey, Mike Rydell at the Crop Insurance Podcast here. Just a quick update for you, as I'm sure lots of people around the countryside are going to be talking about this. On Friday, April 24th, 2026, the FSA just passed an update to the SDRP payments. Now, you might be thinking of a lot of acronyms. You have the SDRP Stage 1 and Stage 2 from the FSA. And then you had the FBA payments that just came out. It's a lot of acronyms, but the bottom line is if you received an SDRP Stage 1 or Stage 2 payment, those were paid at the 35% payment factor. Now what they did is they changed that payment factor to the 70% level, meaning they took 100% of your loss and they applied it a 35% factor, and that's what you were paid. Now they've upped that to 70%. So that means if you already qualified for a payment, you're going to receive a check or a payment in the same amount, and those are supposed to start coming out today. Now it might take some time for them to get things in order to send those payments out, but they're supposed to start coming out today according to the FSA website. So keep an eye out for that. Now, is there anything you need to do on the Stage 1 if you already received a payment in order to receive this level up payment? Well, no, there's nothing you need to do. It's all been taken care of and handled. You would just receive an additional payment. So this is fantastic news for our farmers out there, as we have operating loans and seed costs and spraying costs as everybody's out in the fields right now. And so this is great news. We just wanted to let you know about it here first. So if you want more details and need help figuring out what you need to do in order to apply for a payment, if you have not received one or didn't even hear about it until today, you're going to want to go to FSA's website. Now that's just fsa.usda.gov, and in there if you search SDRP, you're going to find everything you need, including payment calculators, applications, step-by-step guides. It's all there. We just wanted to let you know the good news, and thank you for listening, and make sure you share this with your friends and neighbors.